guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is April and you guys should know what that already means. It's time for Boxy Charm. If you are new to my channel, first of all, hello. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Latrell. I go by iloveyoutrell. This is my channel and we love Boxy Charms. So today we are going to be doing our Boxy Charm unboxing for April. And you guys, I hope there's not anything delicate in here because the FedEx guy threw this so hard at the door. Like, I was like, how dare you? So I'm hoping that nothing got damaged in the process of this getting to my house in this video. So let's go ahead, let's get started. So this is what the box looks like, and this month is the sweet treats. So I'm not gonna look at the back of the card, but this is going to tell us the price and the items that we have. So let's go ahead and get straight into the box. Okay, so we actually have something here from Touch and Soul, and Touch and Soul sent me a glassy skin balm that I loved. But this here is a icy sherbet primer, so a silicone free and cooling effect. And I gotta smell it because you guys know I gotta smell stuff. It doesn't smell as cute. It smells okay, but it don't smell as cute as it looks. Oh wow. And you only need a little bit, like you don't even need a lot of this stuff. But it definitely gave like a blurring type of look to my hand. So this says it's a silicone-free primer that smooths skin texture and gives you a silky and fine-tuned finish. Fresh sherbet-like texture smoothly glides with rich hydration and an instant cool-down effect. I don't even, what is this? It is $32. It's interesting. I'm very excited to give this a try. Like, what is this? Okay, so the next thing, I kind of saw someone unbox their box. So I already knew, or I knew that it better have been in my box. And that is a Natasha Denona palette. So let's see. It is a like neutral eyeshadow palette. And it's so funny that they gave me this eyeshadow palette. I was actually looking at a palette that I had from last month or maybe a month before that. And it was very cool and neutral. It kind of gives me like the same vibes as this one. I actually was not planning on using this. It's dirty because they sent it to me like that, but I actually was not planning on using this because the colors to me just aren't, I don't know, I feel like I should give this away. And this one here, it's very cute. Natasha Denona is pretty expensive, $48. But it's Natasha Denona, so it makes sense because all of her palettes are pretty expensive. I think I might do a giveaway for this one too. So you guys let me know if you guys want to win these eyeshadow palettes. We are still doing our giveaway for our Elf and Chipotle eyeshadow palette. What is this, an eyeliner? Yes, it's an intensely precise eyeliner in the shade Espresso, and this is by Aurora. Let's see. Oh, that's a really nice color payout. I actually never tried a brown eyeliner pen. The price of this is $11.99. So this is like the first product that was ever like that 99 cents. Everything is like straight evens except for this. Pluck It and a tweezer kit. It's so crazy because I just ordered one of those like really fine like ingrown hair type of tweezers, and this actually came with one. Wow, Boxy Charm, you guys always do me like this. This tweezer kit is $18. Last but not least, we have some Dragon Beauty. I've never personally felt the like, you know, the urge to try anything from it, but I like looking at it because visually it does have like a nice little aesthetic to it. So this is the Dragonfire color corrector, and this one is in the shade green. I don't ever use a color corrector. I'm gonna actually read off what this color corrector does specifically because there's many different colors and they all serve different purposes. According to the website, the green color corrector is for correcting pink and red undertones within the skin. I honestly don't know about this. I do not know if I'm gonna add this. This is like just another step in my opinion. If you need it, it's probably absolutely perfect. But I don't really need it, so I don't know if I'll use it. But it's $25 if anybody is interested in trying it out. And that is actually it for our Boxy Charm for this month. Would I say that this box is a worthy box? Yes and no. I do feel like I would like these three items specifically, but everything else, aka the more expensive things in this box, I actually am kind of just like, I kind of did without it. But let me know what you guys think about this video down in the comment section. If you have not tried Boxy Charm and you're ready to try Boxy Charm, I will have a link and a code down in the description box. I don't know what it does for you, but go ahead and click it if you guys are ready to sign up. And please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys did like this. Make sure to subscribe. I do post every Tuesday and Friday, but if you can't remember that, hit that notification bell and you will get notified every time I do post a video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. I will link all of those down below so that way you guys can easily click and follow. And don't forget to enter our giveaway. We are going strong, so please make sure to share it with your friends, family members, cousins, co-workers, whatevers. And let's go ahead and get to 400 so that way we can gift somebody with a wonderful set of makeup. But thank you guys again so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.